Before a crawlspace moisture barrier can be installed, all debris has to be removed, and then the ground can be leveled. Now the moisture barrier can be rolled out and sized to the work environment. A special double-sided tape is installed on the back edge of the moisture barrier to hold it in place prior to fasteners being installed. All overlap joints receive seam tape. The moisture barrier can be terminated anywhere on the foundation wall. Once that is completed, the top seam is sealed with polyurethane so moisture will not intrude the top edge.